Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Mike Daviap. I'm here using my lavalier mic, holding it because if I put it here, it wouldn't sound great. So, what we're going to do today, we are going to unbox the Samsung, a smart TV from Samsung, a 32-inch 4 Series N4300. So, let's get in. But before that, guys, I have to tell you that we've already opened this box already to test and check if everything's okay. But today we are going to film it and let you guys know what the new Samsung 2019 edition TV. Okay, let's get it on. Here we have the quick setup. This is you can actually read this how to set up the TV, but for now I'll be doing this on my own. So we have here the power brick, which is 48 watts. Here at the right side you have your stands for your TV. So let's focus it. So this is for, it indicates this is the right one, and this is the left foot. So you have here your mounting screws for your TV, so it can stand. Here are the screws for the the feet of the TV. So let's take this out. So here in the box, what's left is another piece of plastic. So we have here your Samsung manual. Here is your TV remote, the smart TV remote, which you can use it to as a mouse at the same time and a keyboard, but you have to press every button for you to type in, because since this is a smart TV, this is like a mini computer or an Android TV, but this is not running on Android. You have here your power cable adapter for your power brick, and I don't know if you can see it there. There's a AAA battery for your remote control. So guys, you have here the Samsung Smart TV at the bottom. This is the future. You have here your this is the placement for the foot. At the left side you have your RF receiver. Then you have two firing speakers, 5 watts each. You have 10 watts, and that's much about what's at below. So if we go at the back, sorry, I'm just using my other hand to lift this TV. It's heavy. Let's go near. So at the back you have here your video. This is also for sound, and also at the same time for video. It's nice. You have here your RCAs. Here's the left and right audio. Here's your DC in, the 19 volts power brick. Then you have your digital audio out. So from the TV out, it's an optical. It's amazing. Then your LAN. I'm impressed that from all the TVs we have, this has a LAN which can connect to internet. But if you don't have a LAN to your router, it's okay, because this TV supports Wi-Fi connection. And at the sides, there we go. So you have here your connection for the antenna. At the sides you have 2 HDMI in and out and 1 USB port. And forgot to tell you, you have here your back mounting holes. Though this TV does not include a mounting bracket, just like our Devant, which you can hook up to the wall. This one doesn't have, so you have to buy your own mounting brackets. So that's what's at the back of the Samsung TV. By the way, guys, if you're going to place this on the wrong place, either left or right. This one has left on it. It won't fit because there is a stopper which won't let the foot in, because there's a proper design and way to put this. So you have to find where the stopper goes into. At here, there is a part where the stopper can goes in, and this is the left part of the TV's foot. So there it goes. But before that, I recommend you guys to put the screws in first, because it's going to be very handful if you put the foot in, and when you put the screws into this, the trouble comes in when the screws flip and you have to get some tweezers to pull that screw out, and you have to put it again, and it goes again and again, so it will cost you more time. So I highly recommend you guys to put the screws in first before putting this at the bottom of the TV, so that it's going to be a lot easier for you.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution.
Guys, be sure to tighten it up, not too tight, because it will, since this is plastic, it will just break. Just enough that you won't feel it wobbling. So that's okay already.
Evolution.
So now that the TV is ready, let's get some of its parts. So here's the remote control. The power cable, which has an adapter for its power brick. So let's get it on.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Next up is setting up the TV. We have an HDMI cable here for a TV box, a TV Plus. So let's put it on. So guys, here's the TV. And here are the controls. I'm really new to this. Aside from a simple UI from a Divan TV, this one cost more or less the same from our Divan TV 5 to 6 years ago, around 14,000 pesos. More or less 14,000 pesos. If you could get it on sale, then you're lucky. Or maybe you can buy it on cash, then you can get less, for maybe around 13,000 plus. So let's get it on. So here's the remote. So we have their apps, source is where you change whether it's going to be TV, HDMI, USB, um, RCA, RCA or video, analog. Here are the settings. Here we have a picture mode, dynamic, standard, natural, and movie. So I'll pick the dynamic. Sound is has 3 modes. You can actually go 4 modes with a set of EQ, but I don't see the EQ very useful at this time, so I'll stick to standard mode or optimized. Or I can go for an amplify sound. Let's go for standard. So you can pick 2 outputs. You have audio out or optical, or you can just take this the speaker. Game mode is for if you're connected to a PC and you're trying to game on it. This is very useful for gaming. For subtitles, but I don't see any use of it as of now unless you have a movie. You have a timer, and I'm already connected to our Wi-Fi since I already set this up way back last night. So if you don't have, by the way guys, if you don't have a LAN port, I mean connected to the LAN at the back, you can just have it connected to the Wi-Fi. Oh, at the same time, since I cannot demo you guys on how Miracast. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't demo you this time since I'm using my phone as a video recorder for recording this. So let's get back down. Wait. Settings, you have notifications, you have if you have connected emails, or and also for the TV, so you get notifications for either your email or other things. So it's like a Android phone also. So you have your apps. We have pre-installed apps, by the way. We have here live TV terrestrial. We have Netflix. So if you have next Netflix account, which is going to be SD quality or HD quality, you can just log in here and watch your favorite channels, watch your favorite videos on this TV without using other external devices like a PC or a phone. So this TV has pre-installed applications that you can use. So by the way guys, this is not like an Android where tons of apps you can actually install, and it's just limited since it's a TV. This is the apps installed or from the App Store itself are mostly something that you can watch on videos, TV series, movies. So we have Prime Video from Amazon, Google Play, Movies and TV. You have your gallery, unless your phone or your account is connected, then you can see your pictures right on the screen. And the internet, you can browse anything you want, like aside from watching videos. So that's much it about the apps in here. Let's go for the apps. So it's loading at the moment. So we got here, we have Apple TV, Nora Go, Mod TV, Video, Art Hola TV, and so much more. You can actually either download or watch from the pre-installed apps on this TV. So the downloaded apps here is in Apple TV, Gallery, Facebook Watch, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Google Play, Movies and TV, Internet, and e-manual. I mean guys, this e-manual is for those who are having problems on how to use or control the TV. So this is very useful for people that are new to smart TVs. But you can also have a e-manual right here on the remote. Just press it, then it will redirect you to many different guides on how to use this TV. So to press back, you just have to press return. You have to exit. Yeah, there's a sound. So maybe let's try watching YouTube. So I highly recommend to use a wireless mouse and keyboard all in one and connected to the single port at the side of the TV, so that you can fully utilize this TV. So in order to control it, you have to use these buttons here like a mouse. So since this is not placed like a QWERTY type, so you have to really find every letter, and sometimes it's really hard just to use the remote. So I highly recommend you guys to buy wireless mouse and keyboards that all-in-one or combo, so that it's going to be a lot easier for you to use this TV. The speakers are not that really loud compared to the Divan TV, which has two 6 watts 2 6 watts speakers, volume firing speakers. I think that was more loud than this one. But in terms of sound quality, I prefer the Samsung more because of its more optimized sound.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future.
By the way, guys, I've noticed that the amplify is actually good on music, but when the sound starts to compress, the sound also from the speakers of the TV also compress a lot. There's sort of noticeable lower bass frequencies, and it's not that much of vocals and a lot of tweeters. It sounds really good, but when things start to compress, especially on the chorus of every music and songs, the TV just loses a lot of volume. For the optimized version, it's more on the vocals when you're watching something like news on the TV, and sound mode is just the standard mode is just completely flat. So guys, that was the Samsung 32-inch TV 2019 edition of the Series 4 4300. I hope you learned something from that review and unboxing. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get more from my videos and from my channel actually. So thank you guys, and bye bye.